Hermit crabs are fascinating creatures that often go unnoticed as they scuttle along the shores, hiding in their burrowed shells. With their quirky appearances and fascinating behaviors, hermit crabs have captured the curiosity of many who take the time to observe them. Unlike other crabs, hermit crabs don't have a hard exoskeleton to protect themselves. Instead, they rely on empty shells for their safety. These shells are not their own but are scavenged from other animals, like snails, which makes hermit crabs unique among crustaceans. As hermit crabs grow, they must find new, larger shells to accommodate their increasing size. This process involves searching for the perfect fit, which can sometimes lead to competition with other crabs. When they find an abandoned shell, they quickly move in, occupying it as their new home. It's a never-changing and sometimes competitive search for shelter, as hermit crabs will go to great lengths to ensure they have the best possible protection. The shell they choose is more than just a simple place to hide. It becomes a part of their identity. Some hermit crabs are even known to decorate their shells with bits of seaweed or other objects they find in their environment. This added decoration serves not only as camouflage, but also as a unique signature for each crab. The choice of shell can also affect the crab's behavior and social interactions, with certain shells being more desirable than others. Unlike many other animals, hermit crabs are not solitary creatures. They live in groups, often sharing their space with other crabs. This social aspect is essential to their survival. In the wild, hermit crabs can be found in large colonies where they communicate through scent and touch, establishing a complex network of interactions. Though they might seem shy or reclusive, they rely on their community for support, protection, and finding new shells. Hermit crabs are also incredibly adaptable. While they are often associated with coastal habitats, some species have managed to thrive in other environments as well. For example, land hermit crabs live on beaches and forests, where they find their shells and food sources. These land-dwelling hermit crabs are different from their marine cousins, but they share the same basic needs for a safe shell and food. On the other hand, marine hermit crabs can be found along the ocean floor, where they scavenge for shells and food in the underwater world. One interesting fact about hermit crabs is their ability to regenerate lost limbs. If a leg is lost in a fight or during their search for food, they can grow it back over time. This regenerative ability is vital for their survival, as it ensures they can continue moving and defending themselves even if they lose a part of their body.